Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Friday, February 17, 2023 on our channel. Secop to offer BD Nano compressor using R600A next quarter. AP Moller-Maersk and Mawani break ground for Saudi Arabia's largest integrated logistics park at Jeddah Islamic Port. New Eurovent PGCT Chairman and Vice Chairman. Carrier adds 515B lower GWP refrigerant option to AquaEdge 19 MV oil-free water-cooled chiller. Danfoss to build new compressor and sensor factory in Apodaca, Mexico. Hoshizaki America Incorporated announces Konrad Barraclough as VP of Regional Supply Chain. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Secop to offer BD Nano compressor using R600A next quarter. Secop's latest innovation for mobile refrigeration, the new BD Nano compressor, is available now for low GWP refrigerant R1234F and for R134A, BDN45F. The compressor using natural refrigerant R600A, BDN50K, will be available in the second quarter of 2023. This compact, very low vibrating, low noise emitting compressor is the ideal solution for small and silent cooling units. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. AP Moller-Maersk and Mawani break ground for Saudi Arabia's largest integrated logistics park at Jeddah Islamic Port. AP Moller-Maersk broke ground for Saudi Arabia's largest integrated logistics park at Jeddah Islamic Port today. Present at the groundbreaking ceremony were His Excellency Mr. Omar bin Talal Hariri, President, Saudi Ports Authority, Mawani, Her Excellency Ambassador Lizelota Plesner, Danish Ambassador to Saudi Arabia, Mr. Abdullah Al Zamal, CEO of Zamal Construction, and Mr. Mohammed Shihab, Managing Director, Maersk Saudi Arabia, along with Maersk's valued customers and partners. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. New Eurovent PGCT Chairman and Vice Chairman. During the meeting of the Eurovent Product Group Evaporative Cooling Equipment, PGCT, on October 27, 2022 at the Eurovent Summit in Antalya, the participants elected Laurent Petiat as Chairman and Ulf Bergman as Vice Chairman of the group. Laurent Petiat, General Manager France Benelux Maghreb at Baltimore Aircoil Company, was elected as the new chairman of the product group during its meeting last year in Antalya at the Eurovent Summit. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Carrier adds 515B lower GWP refrigerant option to AquaEdge 19 MV oil-free water-cooled chiller. Carrier has announced the availability of the lower global warming potential GWP 515B refrigerant in its award-winning AquaEdge 19 MV oil-free water-cooled chiller. The AquaEdge 19 MV is leading the industry in reliability, performance and best-in-segment efficiency for sustainable building applications in its category, said Tom Franashik, Director, Global Product Management, Water-Cooled Chillers, Carrier Commercial HVAC. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Danfoss to build new compressor and sensor factory in Apodaca, Mexico. Danfoss is witnessing tremendous growth in demand for cooling technology from the United States market and is announcing the construction of a new compressor and sensor manufacturing facility in Apodaca, Mexico. The new expansion will produce medium and large scroll compressors, pressure sensors for HVAC/R, and A2L leak detection sensors for residential and commercial air conditioning and refrigeration. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Hoshizaki America Incorporated announces Konrad Barraclough as VP of Regional Supply Chain. Hoshizaki America Incorporated has appointed Konrad Barraclough as the company's new VP of Regional Supply Chain, a new position for the company. Konrad is an innovative and results-driven leader with a proven record of leveraging corporate spend, exceeding savings targets, implementing supply chain financing, internal and supplier VAVE, Kaizens and supply chain integration. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.